If you do workouts, do a workout, do a yoga, stretching, nothing, it depends really on what your stamina is, but it's also good to do that. Create a habit. Go for a swim. Go for a swim on a Sunday morning, or do exercise, or go for a long walk. Movement is key. Movement is productivity as well. It will help keep you positive. It will spark energy in you as well. Also, express gratitude. Get a journal, write them out, and think about habits that you're going to create every morning. Write down daily gratitude list as part of your winding down routine in the evening. Evaluate your evening. That way you can recognize the positive moments that reflect you and your progress, and find fresh motivation for the coming week. Plan your menu for the week if you can. Write down what you want to do, Monday to Friday, what you're going to have. Sometimes I do batch cooking on a Saturday and Sunday so that I've got meals for a couple of days. So I do, like, if I'm doing a meal on a Saturday, I might do 2 lots of the same meal. Cooking on a Sunday, I do 2 lots of the same meal. So at least that way I've got like 4 days of food, for example, during the week when I'm the most busiest, for example. Okay, so I'll do a video on that as well. So always look at that. Look at healthy food options as well. Fruit, vegetables, green foods, what recipes.